Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing an apartment tour. However, this is going to be an empty apartment tour. Why, you ask? Well, maybe you didn't ask, I don't know. But I just want to tell you guys, I actually recorded the apartment when we first got here, when it was completely empty, and I forgot to share it with you guys. I actually forgot that I had the footage. So I'm going to be showing you our entire apartment completely empty. And in the future, when I feel like I am ready to, I'm going to do an updated, fully furnished apartment tour. There's just some things here and there that I need to get done or rearrange, or I don't know how to explain it, but I'm not completely done with decorating the apartment, I guess, so I would hate to just record a video when I don't feel like I'm finished doing what I want to do in here. So this is going to be an empty apartment tour, but it's gonna give you an idea of what our apartment looks like, obviously. Pretty much we have all the same furniture, so I mean, you guys know what everything looks like, but there's just some stuff I'm gonna be tweaking here and there. But before I show you my new apartment, I wanted to share a few clips of my old apartment. I just wanted to record a little bit of it, you know, before I said goodbye to it and never seen it again, so I could have it from memory, so I'm gonna share that. So, this is what it's looking like as of right now. It's pretty bad, but we're heading out the door, and we've packed up a lot of stuff into the back of the truck. But I'm gonna show that to you. So that's what the back of the truck is looking like as of right now, and we have tons more to do. It's ridiculous. I look like a hot mess right now. I look like I have over bronzed. Anyway, so we're leaving now to go get the keys, and we're gonna check out our new apartment. This is all that's left of our little apartment. I'm going to miss it. Just waiting for the guys to come in and get this crazy couch, my makeup desk, and my bed. Bye, kitchen. This video is kind of jumpy, it's weird. All that's left of our little bedroom. Bye, bedroom. Bye, bathroom. Goodbye. Okay, now that we've said goodbye to the old apartment, let's check out the new apartment. Well, this is our front door. So when you walk in the front door, this is what you see. A coat closet, and this is our walkway entry type thing here. So from the entryway, which is here, is our living room. And here is our bedroom. My closet. Alan's closet. You know. This is our bathroom. Got a medicine cabinet. And it's absolutely beautiful. Our toilet, got a bath, shower, got a really neat looking shower head. So let's get out of here. I'm going to show you the dining room area, which is going to be like a little office area, you know, with the computer desk and all that. That's right here. And then this is our kitchen. This is my ice box and my freezer. My beautiful stove I cannot wait to start cooking on. My microwave. Our sinks. Dishwasher. Garbage disposal. Yes. I have a kitchen window, which I am crazy about. Crazy about it. Look at this. This is blue. Blue black splash with lighting underneath. Hey girl, hey, that kitchen is beautiful. So from the living room here, we've got washer and dryer, and of course it's got these little doors to cover that. We've got this room here with all this closet space and a huge closet over here. And then this is the extra bathroom, the shower, the toilet, all that stuff. So that is our empty apartment tour. We're gonna load up this apartment with all of our stuff and yay! I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed yet. Leave me some comments down below. I would love to hear from you, and give this video a thumbs up. And I promise I will have an updated apartment tour video in the future. But this is as good as it's gonna get for now. See you next time. Bye!